M0FXB, welcome back to the channel. Take a look at this software here by Mania Radio. Now you do need an activation key if you want to use it for a long time, but there is a free time allowed just to test it. So if we just flick around here and just show it working, I mean, you download the file. I'll show you how to download that in a second. You add the activation key and then just tinker around with the software. So I'll just show you here. If we look at this line here, we're going to go to split memories here, band 8, scanner, skeds, whatever that is, bands. If we flick up and down the bands, you'll see the radio. If you look at the Icom 7100, and it works on the 7000 and the 706, you'll see the bands are changing there. I mean, there's so much in this software, it takes time to learn it, and I haven't had time to learn it yet, but I thought I'd show it you. And you can click up here and you can change the frequency as we're doing now. And look, I think it's gone red there to say we're out of band, I would say. Let's go to what's over here, CW mode. So click CW and you can choose FM, split, VFO A, VFO B, 20 meters there, A to B. Depending on which radio you're using with the system, if that radio has lots of features, there's more you can do. So down here you've got the speech and the monitor and the mic gain, delay, and just your standard levels for volume, noise blanker. I mean, just where do you start? So I'll put the link in now. To download this software, you just go to this link here. If I just minimize the window, sorry about any advertising that keeps popping up. So Icom 7100. You just hover here, download, and it will download. You'll be able to download it and run it straight away. You do need a cable connected to the radio. I'm going into the micro USB on the back of the radio. You'll see just here, just there, just minimize it. It's called the USB connector. There you are. It's like a squarey type. Just plug it in there, and then you go onto your computer and find the go into Device Manager. Just right click, Device Manager, get your port, and the port comes up with two ports. So if we just double click, go down, let's move this here where you can see it. Ports, and where are we? Here it is. There we've got 15 and 59, and I find if you want to configure the settings, when you're on this window here, go to set mode just here, and yes, you've got a PTT here. Look at mine, watch the radio, yeah, it goes and just transmit, and even does tune and tone and all that kind of stuff. Not that there's a tuner connected. Audio recording and playback here. If you go, I find utility, and then where is it? Configuration. It's quite small. I think that should be bigger. Go to configuration. This window opens up, and you'll see that I'm using COM. Let's have a look here. 15. So the one above. The one above I'm using. Oh, I'm going to click no to that, because you can configure things for FT8, all that kind of stuff. Now, I'm not saying. Well, the Icom 7100 does work. It does have a built-in sound card, so it doesn't add a sound card for you, but it adds you the ability to interact with other software that might then add a sound card for you. You've got virtual audio cables, and you might be able to use. There's a few programs out there you might be able to use, DigiRig, things like that. So check it out here. Look, you've got the signal meter. We're not hearing much at the moment. Let's just tap the screen, and if I change on the radio, it changes there. I turn that up if someone speaks, but you saw the signal meter come up there. That was HubNet, which is very strong to me. SWR, power, com, ALK, squelch here, power, RF gain. So I highly recommend you check it out. I'll put the link in the description. I don't think it's much per year to get your key, and if you lose it, you can always email. It works on the Icom 7000, 7100, 706, 706 Mark II-G and Mark II. So it works on quite a few different sets, but I do believe you need a different key for each set. I mean, I'm not really sure actually. Email the seller and it's instant. He's very responsive to messages, and who knows, if you say to him, look, can I buy a key and it'll work on, I've got 3 radios, he'd probably send you all 3 keys, because he was very obliging with me. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thought I'd show you that. And yeah, the 7100 is one of the best sets out there, isn't it? Shack in the box, VHF, UHF, it's all there. Should we try and key up before we go? Let's try it. M0FXB test, M0FXB test. There you are, it's working. And you can actually configure the PC, I believe, to be your microphone and speaker. You've seen that in the audio settings, but I haven't tried that. But you saw the signal meter there. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Bye for now, 7-3.